One Cybertruck owner figured out how to squat the back of his truck while keeping the front lifted in the air. And it looks awful. The Tesla Cybertruck owner thought it's not showy enough, so he decided to do the unthinkable and throw it in a sort of squat mode. It's the stuff of nightmares, and it's very real. First, the owner put the Cybertruck's suspension on its highest setting, extract mode. Then, to drop the rear suspension only, he went to software, held the Cybertruck logo and typed in the word service on the keyboard. This unveiled a whole bunch of other menu items like chassis and suspension. From there, he manually deflated each of the airbags. Then, he held down the brake and the turn signal button for 8 seconds, and the rear suspension dropped. We're not sure if the truck is drivable in this configuration. We assume it probably isn't.